How to use bitter leaf to control blood sugar naturally, step-by-step guide. So you're welcome back to another videos. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use bitter leaf step-by-step to control your blood sugar. I believe you have heard people said bitter leaf can cure diabetes, right? But the question is, how exactly should you use it to work? In this video, I will show you the right procedure to use bitter leaf safely and effectively to lower your blood sugar naturally. However, I will start this video with a story of Mr. Peter. Meet Mr. Peter, a 54 years old diabetes patient who almost gave up on controlling his sugar. He was taking his medications regularly, but his sugar levels still hover around 250 milligrams per deciliter. So one day, his aunt told him, "My son, try bitter leaf water. It worked for me." Skeptical but desperate, he decided to give it a try. And what happened next surprised him. Bitter leaf contains natural compounds like vanillosides and saponin, which help the pancreas produce insulin more efficiently and reduce sugar absorptions in the intestine. Studies have shown that extract from vanilla amygdalina help reduce blood sugars and improve liver and kidney functions in diabetes patients. But the secret lies in how you prepare and use it. Here are the proper ways to use bitter leaf for diabetes. Get fresh bitter leaf. Wash them thoroughly to remove dirt. Avoid using detergent or soap. Just clean water is okay. Number 2, squeeze out the juice. Put the washed leaves in a bowl. Add a little clean water and squeeze until water turns green and bitter. 3, filter and drink. Drain the liquid into a cup. Drink half a glass, about 100 ml, early in the morning before breakfast and half a glass at night before sleep. Do this for 7 to 10 days. Then check your fasting blood sugar. You will likely see a drop, sometimes as much as 30 to 50 milligrams per deciliter difference. After 1 week, Mr. Peter's sugar dropped from 250 milligrams to 160 milligrams per deciliter, naturally, no medications. Now, a first thing to keep in mind, bitter leaf water is powerful, so don't overuse it. If you're already on diabetes medications, monitor your sugar closely to avoid hypoglycemia, that is low blood sugar. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their doctor first before using it frequently. To improve the taste and add more health benefit, you can combine it with a ginger or moringa leaf water. So here the recap. Wash your bitter leaf clean, squeeze and extract the juice. Drink half a glass morning and night. Watch your sugar drop naturally. Nature truly provides what we need. We just have to use it right. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to Tribal Health Talk for more natural diabetes control tips and real-life success story like this. So before we go, I just released a textbook titled The Diabetes Reset: Nigerian Foods That Heals. This book contains a lot of information, the procedure on how you can control your blood sugar naturally, from moringa leaf to okra, bitter leaf, and many more vital information you need to control your blood sugar. So if you need the book costs only 3,000 naira. You can buy it on seller. Check on my profile. You see the links to my stellar.com profile. You can click on the link there and then search for the book and get it for 3,000 naira, or it's also available on Amazon. You can get it on Amazon. You search for the title, The Diabetes Reset: Nigerian Food That Heal, or you can contact me directly via this TikTok or any social media you're watching this video. I will send the books to you after you make a payment. Just try and see. You will not regret in getting the books. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.